As technology continues to reshape our world, one industry that's experiencing a remarkable transformation is agriculture. Imagine a future where farmers can monitor their crops from the sky, optimize resource use with pinpoint precision, and boost yields like never before. Welcome to the world of agricultural drones, where innovation takes flight to revolutionize farming practices. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the cutting-edge technologies shaping the future of agriculture. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of agricultural drones, a game-changer for farmers worldwide. Traditionally, farmers relied on manual labor and guesswork to manage their crops. But with the advent of agri-drones, that's all changing. Agricultural drones are equipped with state-of-the-art sensors and cameras, allowing them to capture detailed images and data from above. These drones can monitor crop health, detect signs of disease or stress, and even analyze soil conditions, all from the sky. This invaluable information enables farmers to make data-driven decisions, leading to more efficient crop management and higher yields. But agri-drones aren't just for monitoring. They're also capable of performing tasks like crop spraying and aerial seeding. With precision accuracy, drones can cover large areas in a fraction of the time it would take with traditional methods, reducing costs and environmental impact. Using drones has completely transformed how we farm. We're seeing healthier crops, increased yields, and significant savings in time and resources. But the benefits don't stop there. Agricultural drones are paving the way for sustainable farming practices, minimizing chemical use and maximizing efficiency. As technology continues to evolve, the potential for agri-drones in agriculture is limitless. From small-scale farms to large agribusinesses, these flying machines are revolutionizing the way we grow our food. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of agricultural drones. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And of course, let us know your thoughts and any topics you'd like us to cover in the comments below.